Moby? Oh. Oh. Dear Tim and Moby, my doctor says that hormones are making my voice change. What's a hormone anyway? From Doug. Yeah, lately my voice has been all over the place too. It's natural, and it's one of the many examples of chemicals called hormones at work. Your endocrine system regulates and releases hormones that tell the different parts of your body how to act and what to do. There are lots of different hormones at work in your body. Special sex hormones called gonadotropins are the ones that affect puberty changes like your voice changing. Gonadotropins are released by the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. Gonadotropins make the gonads grow. The female gonads are the ovaries and the male gonads are the testes. The ovaries release a hormone called estrogen that causes physical changes in girls like breast development, body shape changes, and menstruation. The testes release a hormone called testosterone that causes physical changes in boys like voice deepening, increased muscle mass, and facial hair. Pubic and underarm hair also develops in boys and girls during puberty because of these hormones. Estrogen and testosterone also cause all sorts of emotional changes. Kids often start to become attracted to one another during puberty, or so I'm told. Hormones do a lot of other stuff too. Another hormone released by the pituitary gland is called growth hormone. Hey, good guess, Moby. Growth hormone makes you grow by stimulating cell division. A hormone called insulin is produced in your pancreas. Insulin helps your body's cells absorb sugar. Folks with diabetes do not have enough of the hormone insulin, which means they have trouble regulating their blood sugar levels. Epinephrine and norepinephrine are hormones released by the adrenal gland that affect the body during stress, like when you're, say, taking a test. The hormone norepinephrine raises your heart rate and blood pressure. Epinephrine tells your body to start metabolizing carbohydrates, which gives you extra energy in case you need to fight or run away. Yeah, that didn't help me too much with that test there. I should probably go back to class, huh?